Rana, I don't know what to talk about Rana because I know him as a really, really good friend. Uh, Ghazi Mundu, actually, we worked in Hindi, in Baby, with a couple of scenes together. Also, we worked in Arambam in Tamil. Ippudu, we only didn't work together in Telugu. So you were like, why Telugu? We both started off in Telugu, and in Telugu, we are not getting cast together. And finally, I'm happy maximum numbers of scenes shared between us were in this film only, even though they are very less, but this was the maximum. I think we need to do a one full-fledged film together. Yeah, now that we are known in all the three languages, you know, we are the elite category. Okay, so yeah, I mean, it's such a wonderful feeling to work with him. More than as an actor, I know him as a human being. One of the best human beings you can have around, with bigger heart than his size. Let me tell you that. So yeah. You're welcome. Thank you so much for considering me good enough to be a part of Ghazi. I cannot tell you, Telugu to paatu, actually Hindi lo kuda, people are really, really looking forward to it. Akkada kuda, when I go out for interviews or wherever, people keep telling me how wonderful the trailer is, how international it looks, and the fact that Karan is supporting it makes it even bigger. So the whole country is waiting for it. I can get those vibes. I think everything is so positive about this film, and I'm so proud that it's coming out of Telugu industry primarily because that's where I started. So now it feels I can actually show off. So, you know, this is where I started off, and it has taken us to Hollywood standards. Since I was not really part of Bahubali, this is my only claim to fame of international standards. So yeah, thank you so much. This is the best speech I can manage. Thank you.